Pizza night. Hope everybody's having a good Friday and they have a great long weekend. I'm gonna see if I can cook myself up some pizza. Let's check it out here a bit. My convection oven cooktop. See if it's working. Well, it's not burning yet. A little brown. A little while to go yet. Okay, we got the old, got a lid on top now on an angle. The butter knife. Fans going high bore. So I want to direct more heat on top so I can get the top cooking as quickly as the bottom is cooking. I think it's going to work. Let's try it. Nice and brown and crispy. Good. Takes a little longer than in the oven, but cooked all right. Bon appetit. Happy long weekend.